Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon. Click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Friday, September 24th, 1:41 p.m. New York time. Let's discuss the financial sector. We'll first look at the financial asset management type of companies. And each grid will be 1 week duration. Each candle will be 1 week. Since this week, the Federal Reserve had a meeting and decided to leave interest rates alone and made statements what their policy and process going forward will be. Let's see what the reaction of these are. We're green for the week on BLK, Bravo Lima Kilo. Again, these are the asset management type of banks. Look at that. We still made a lower high, lower low than the prior week. So that trend is down. This area is a demand zone. Buyers stepped in here. That's interesting. So if you're bullish, this is a place to consider as entry. Bravo Alpha Mike. Wow, look at this. It's doing better than the other one. It made a higher high and it's green above the prior week. Big trading range too. Yep. So if it closes this way, it would be considered an engulfing candle. And coming off the bottom of the trend, that would be considered bullish engulfing, giving more support likelihood to the upside. Bravo Kilo, Bank of New York. Yep, just like that first stock. It's green, but lower high, lower low. So that trend is still down. Again, this was the demand zone before buyers stepped in here. Then it went up. Retracement, buyers in there again. Above that $50 price level. Bravo, X-ray. Wow, it's red. The first one red. Lower low, lower high. That trend is down, but it's above 125, that quarters number. That's a significant number. So we've got buyers in there. But again, that other one I showed you was already making it higher than the prior week. That was looking better. TROW. T Rowe Price, green for the week. The trend's still down. Lower high, lower low. Even though we're way off the bottom of the body, so that's looking like a hammer's forming here. And Sierra Tango Tango, green for the week. But again, look at the high is still lower than the prior high, and the low is lower than the prior high. That trend is down. That is still bearish. Yep. Unless this candle here closes, if you're an aggressive trader, some people jump in as soon as this candle closes above the close of this red candle. So we know this red candle closed the bottom of that body. That's where some people take entry, and some people wait until that trend down will close above that red high. So again, this, and you can look at all these ones I'm showing you. This is how some traders do that for their entry. Let's go on to the next. Okay, we're looking at the banks diversified now. Some popular names, you might have heard of these. JP Morgan, Juliet Papa Mike. That's a phonetic alphabet for that stock symbol. JPM, Juliet Papa Mike. The Central Bank of the United States, also referred to as the Federal Reserve, but we have several of those in our United States. Well, one of the biggest investors in there, or I think still the top #1, is JP Morgan. Yep, because the banks have shares owned in the central bank. They get income too. I think at the max they get is 6%. So look at this, JP Morgan trading above last week, where it did make a higher high and a lower low. It's engulfing. engulfing several candles. That's very good for bulls. Yep, looks good. So would you like to be an owner of a bank? Instead of opening the door, locking the door, and risk getting robbed, go ahead and buy a bank stock. Maybe this one. It's looking good. Bravo Alpha Charlie, Bank of America. I think that's the second biggest one in the investors, the central bank, Federal Reserve. Same thing, very strong move here. So right now, these banks that are diversified were looking better than those first ones I showed you. Yeah, looking good here. Hotel Sierra Bravo Charlie. No, this is not. Look, the high is still lower than the prior high. So the trend's still down. Lower low, lower high, still trend down. Look at this gap over here, all the way back there from last year. Still on target to maybe be filling it. So this orange horizontal line is the high. Yep, so still bears on that one. So takeaway right now, most of them were not looking as good other than that JP Morgan and some other ones I showed you. Whiskey Foxtrot Charlie, Wells Fargo. Bad child, very bad. Bad, I mean by the people in charge in the company. Look at that, higher high, higher low. The trend is up. It's doing reverse or retracement of this big move down. So this big move down, listen up, that's an impulse move. And because this impulse move is down, that's bearish. And this is a retracement. So be concerned. I'm not saying this trend is bullish yet. Again, it's Wells Fargo, lots of problems they got. City, symbol C, engulfing candle of that body. That's looking good. There's a retracement down here of this move up. So I want to expect this to continue going higher. Romeo, Yankee, Royal Bank of Canada. Trend is down, lower low, lower high, and broke below the swing low. That's not good. Well, we still might have a retracement go up, but that did a steep retracement, not good. Let's go on to some of the other ones. We'll go on to the financial banks regional now. Uniform Sierra Bravo. Look at that strong impulse move up. Very good. And engulfed all these candles. That's strong. Strong bull looking good. Again, Uniform Sierra Bravo. Outstanding. Look at the high there above that high. So we took out that swing high. That's looking good. Hotel Delta Bravo. Oh, the trend is down. Lower low, lower high. Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Another impulse move up. Engulfing these. Very nice. That's good. That's leadership. Papa November Charlie. Yeah. I wish that would do a stronger up. So that's still suspicious there. Where it is a big move up. It's in this consolidation phase here. So we like to see that get taken out above the supply area. This where sellers have been. So still at that selling level, hasn't gone above that, close above that. That's suspicious. India, Bravo, November. Wow. Just shy of all-time highs. It's looking good up there. Foxtrot, Romeo, Charlie. Well, the gap down below this consolidation. That's not good. Yep, it's not even. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, tight consolidation there. It broke below that. Not good. Okay, now we'll go to the financial capital markets. Morgan Stanley. Mike Sierra. Green for the week, but lower low, lower high. So we haven't even taken out that high yet. Still trending down. Charles Schwab, Sierra, Charlie, Hotel Whiskey. Look at that big impulse move up. Engulfing those candles. Very nice. Strong bull. Goldman Sachs, up, trending down, lower low, lower high. Where we saw JP Morgan's looking better than them. So this one's struggling still. Bank of Nova Scotia, Bravo November Sierra. Yep, also look at that trending down, lower low, lower high. Took out the low there. That's not good. India, Bravo, Kilo, Romeo. Up still. Yeah, it's green for the week, but did not take out that prior high yet. Trend is still down. Romeo, Juliet Foxtrot, Raymond James Financial. They pay to have their advertisement name on the football team here in Tampa Bay, Bucks. They call it the Raymond James Stadium because they pay to have the name. And look at this huge thing here. So I was informed they're doing reverse stock splits. I think it's a reverse stock split, like 3-for-1 or splitting. Yeah. So that might be why this happened. All right, let's go on to the next. The credit services now. Still part of financial, but the credit services, you know, your credit cards. Visa. Wow, look at that big impulse move up. Nice. Engulfing that. That's good. Strong like bull there. Showing good single. MasterCard, Mike Alpha, same thing. PayPal, nope. Lower low, lower high, trend still down, and took out this swing low, but we're not even closing inside the bottom of this yet. That's still not good. American Express, another huge impulse move up, very good. Broke above this consolidation. That is good. Very nice. Let's see if it closes above that quarter number, that 175. So 175, slightly above that because it closes above that, and did take out this consolidation. That's good. Capital One, Charlie Oscar Foxtrot, another big impulse move up. That's looking good. Discover, Delta Foxtrot Sierra, another impulse move up. Yeah, they're looking good. So these credit services are looking good other than PayPal. And the majority of them are looking better than some of the other sectors we looked at. Let's go on to the next. The insurance, that's right, insurance. AIG. Green for the week, but lower low, lower high. Still didn't take out that high, not good. Sierra, Lima, Foxtrot, also lower low, lower high. Okay. Almost taking out that swing low there, not good. Hotel India Golf. Looks like distribution, looks like smart money been selling here. See all this red? Details, not looking good there. Papa, Foxtrot Golf, trend is down, lower low, lower high. Golf, Sierra, Hotel Delta, huge impulse move up. Yep, above this consolidation area, looking nice. Alpha, November, Alpha Tango, no. Lower low, lower high. Look at that. Yep, tight trading range. This might be distribution. Smart money might be selling it. Maybe opportunity to trade bearish. Okay, let's look at the last group, financials. Life insurance now. Start off with Metlife. Mike Echo Tango. There's green for the week, but it's lower low, lower high. Still struggling there. Mike Foxtrot Charlie. Yep, the trend is down. Wow, not looking good. Papa Romeo Uniform Prudential. Big move for the week, but still lower low, lower high. There's better ones than this. Alpha Foxtrot Lima. Wolf, gap down, not good. That gap down for the week took out that swing low, which was low here was 53.36. The low there was 51.28. Yeah, not good. Lima, November Charlie. It's nice, but didn't take out that high yet, so there's better ones than this. Papa Romeo India. Look at that, took out that high, very nice. Big trading range too, all the way down, broke below the low here. Rejected it, went up, that's looking good. I just clearly saw several of these were outstanding. Some of those merchant ones were nice golfing candles. Then some of these big banks like JP Morgan, other ones were showing higher highs for the week than the prior week. That's what we're looking for in leadership. But the majority of these are still struggling, of these financials. So if you like what I shared, please click the subscribe. And if you don't mind, while you're at it, how about hitting that like symbol? All right, have a good day. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video. And please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.